Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to review one product which I bought some time back. Introducing the Harmon's Flycatcher Passport Holder, a sophisticated and a functional accessory crafted from pure genuine leather. This passport holder is more than just a travel companion. It is so stylish and durable solution designed to keep your essential documents secure and organized throughout your journey. Both men and women can use it. What I love about it is its compact and portable design. It fits perfectly into my bag. The high quality nylon thread stitching adds its longevity and you can feel the premium build in your hands. A thoughtful design includes 7 ATM card slots, 3 passport holder slots, 2 transparent ID card slot, 2 slip pockets, 1 inner zipper pocket, and 1 pen holder, providing ample storage for your travel essentials. The elastic support on the other side is a clever addition that keeps everything so secure. Look at this outer chain. This looks so strong as well as the built-up quality also you can see here. It is not only for show, adds an extra layer of security. I have never felt so confident about keeping my belongings safe during my travels. Also, I felt this is the best gift you can give to your loved one. Its packaging is also amazing.